What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be blindsiding off the street. I'm basically gonna be going into that dock right there. You see a little bit more. Yeah, so the mask is for a little bit of precaution so COVID-19 doesn't get you bored. So, all right, let's get right to it. Alright, right now I'm gonna let the traffic go by. Right across the street from the Barclay Center, so usually this area was flooded with people walking back and forth, left and right, and just getting right to it. So we're going alongside over here with that trailer to cut in as close as possible as you can. Keep cutting that trailer. From here I could just line up with that dock. Get all the way up in there. Ain't nobody really here, so usually it'll be flooded. Just like that, we can get it in there in one shot. That's right there, what you call a one and hold, people. No pull-ups. Bullshit. You heard? Yeah, so since we getting all of these cases up in New York City, we're taking precautions with the paperwork and spreading the coronavirus. So usually I'll basically walk in there, give the receiver their paperwork and all of that good old stuff, but not doing that no more. We're just putting it at the back of the trailer and calling it a day. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the back of the trailer. That way they don't have to. We don't gotta touch each other. So. Now, I stepped out of the truck. You want to do your pre-trip, your trailer inspection, make sure everything is good on the outside when you're backing up, so nothing in your way, there's no stumps, there's no logs, there's nothing blocking your path. I mean, you don't have to do that every time you get out because you can clearly see what's in front of you as you're pulling up. So, but if you can't see it and you're not sure, remember, get out and look, because if you don't get out and look, you might hit a car that was just like randomly pulled up in front of you and you didn't see it. So if you're not too sure, don't be afraid, get out and look. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize them hands. Running out of some sanitizer, but I got some at home. You feel me? Close that door. Sanitize the door. I got a spray also. Spray it all down. Can never be too cautious. That's why you want to strap up, kids. Nah, but for real though, this shit is real out here in the city, so. Damn, that fucking, them fumes. Alright, and that's all we got today. So we backed up to the back. We backed up to the bay doors. I'm gonna call up the store, tell them that their groceries are here so they could basically open the door. I'm gonna drop the trailer, hook up to the other trailer that's over here. I don't know if you can see it. Hook up to that trailer, and then go about my way. So, all right, people. See you till next time.